Hey folks, CA Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a very, very important live stream. Why is today's live stream important? Because I'm sure if you have seen the thumbnail, you might have been like, okay, is something going to happen? The thumbnail reads 25,000 soon, or is 25,000 on its way? So I personally feel yes, there are great chances that Nifty can head towards 25,000 now. But why? Is there any reason for that? And answer is obviously yes. So what we are going to do today is we'll first try and understand what are certain chart patterns which are trying to indicate that yes, there's a great chance that we might be heading towards 25,000. So we're going to go to the Nifty chart right away. But before that, let me welcome so many new members: Ganesh, Ketan, Atish, Prathamesh, Pawan, Jisuhu, Dirk, and Shantanu. Okay, so welcome to all new members. Those who have enrolled for the Pro Investor membership, I hope everyone is aware today is 5th of the month, and that is the reason why our stock of the month or the Pro Investor member special fundamental analysis has released today. Please go and watch it. I'm sure you will find a lot of value in today's video as well. So definitely go and check that out. Today's stock, today, oh, thank you. I'll talk about the t-shirt also. But yes, definitely check out the member special fundamental analysis video as well. Others, if you can just check if my Instagram also shows live or not. I can't see Instagram live. I'm trying to see it through my own account as well, but can't see Instagram live. If anyone can check, kya baat hai. Dr. Austin says 46 months of membership, and this is one of my best spends, and it's always fun to watch you live. Thank you, Dr. Austin. I have also known you for the same time frame, and I know you by your DP. I know you by your name. Let's see if destined we'll meet someday. Yes. Thank you. Oh, kya baat hai. Swarup says all your stock of the month videos are precious. Thank you for that. Always feel good when the members appreciate the stock of the month studies. So thank you everyone for that, right? So with that, let's go and check about no meetup discussion today. Otherwise, I'll again start talking about meetup. So first, Acha, that was for the t-shirt. I think Pooja has immediately talked about the t-shirt. This is my merch. It says normal heartbeat, but Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. That's how my heartbeat looks like. And then again normal. But today's price movement was crazy. Anyone who does intraday, I'm sure they might have faced a lot of heat today, because anyone who was wanting to go long, anyone who was wanting to go short, it just went haywire. I'm sure those who were doing intraday, they might have actually felt it. What does it mean like? Oh, kya baat hai? Rajesh says I got the same t-shirt delivered 1 month back. Kya baat hai? Please give t-shirt buy link. It's there in the description box. Just give the link right now. Okay. Absolutely. Chandra says too much volatility. Absolutely. So today, let's quickly first, I'll share my screen. We'll go to the Nifty chart. Something really important to understand. I never check the 5 minutes chart or the 15-minute chart. But let's check what the 15 minutes chart looked like today. Have a look at this. Today, 5th of December. So opened somewhere here, flattish opening. After that, the market tanked by almost, the lowest point is like almost 250 points. Post that, look at this one single candle. This is 12 o'clock ka candle. And this 12 o'clock candle is almost like 1%. Yes, almost 1% up, 225 points up in 15 minutes. So anyone who felt that, arey, kya baat hai, amazing, then again, sideways for next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles almost. So 1.5 hours sideways. Then anyone who might have felt, oh, maybe the markets may now, it's going a little bit dull, may go sideways. Immediately in the next 15, so immediately in the next 45 minutes, again up by almost 200 points. After that, look at this candle, where I'm sure this is more than 300 points. Yes, 335 points down in 15 minutes. This is at 2:45 p.m. Then again, one green candle. So anyone who felt, "Array, done, this is like clear-cut evening star, 1, 2, 3, khatam," and anyone would have shorted, immediate next candle is 240 points up. So this was totally maddening today. Absolutely crazy for any intraday person. But of course, none of us hopefully are in that category. So no need for us to worry. But it was worth watching what happened today. What is worth watching right now is in the chart of Nifty. So I'll just quickly tell you, we have been talking about this. This was the previous high, then the low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and this is today's high. Okay, this was the previous high, all J. Okay, so very clearly we can see that whatever was the trend that was established, which is a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, had it been a lower high and immediate reversal, that would have signified a continuation in the trend. But what we saw today is we broke above the previous swing high. Okay, breaking above the previous swing high is definitely considered important. Now if I want to just remove this, you can very clearly see this. I'm just going to join this properly. This is the immediate previous swing high. Now that it has closed above this, today it has closed above this, what is more important is how does it close tomorrow. One is called as a breakout candle and second one is called as a confirmation candle. Okay, so is the breakout neat and clean? Yes. Question is, what about the confirmation? And confirmation, ideally, hopefully, if we can get it tomorrow, maza aega. It'll be amazing. Now, is there any event which is lined up for tomorrow? Answer is yes. Tomorrow we have, so it's a 3 days RBI meet, which is going on. Tomorrow is the third day. So it'll be interesting to watch if any decision regarding either the repo rate or the interest rate, or even if the commentary that is given by the governor, if that is positive, markets may cheer this. Okay. Again, one important thing is that typically when we have such big events, okay, of course, election is a very big event, or a budget is also a pretty big event. In comparison to that, of course, a monetary policy meeting is a smaller event, but still, as compared to other days, monetary policy is also considered as a big event, right? And prior to that, you can understand, prior to such a big day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days back to back, and we have covered almost 800 points, a ground of 800 points before an important event. So it'll be interesting to watch how does the market react tomorrow to the news that come up from the monetary policy. If we were to see a candle close tomorrow above this line, definitely a good one. But which is the next immediate resistance level to watch out for? Of course, it is this level of 24. I'll just draw it properly. It should be here actually. 24,750. Everyone note this down. After a long time, I'm going to tell you, note this level down. 24,750. Now, why is this really important? If you remember, we have been talking about this also. Which one is this? This is a clear cut head and shoulder pattern. We have talked about this so many number of times. Shoulder, head, one more shoulder, and then we could see a breakdown. Correct? Was the target met? For that, let us check from the top of the head to the neckline. We typically take this here. And was the target met? Almost yes. See some points here and there. So it was 23,216 and this low is at 23,263, whatever, 30, 40 points max. But the target has been met, right? Almost has been met. Now, once a support, it took a support here once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6, whatever. Once a support, now it's going to act as a resistance. So once this ground is cleared, if we are able to close above this tomorrow, in fact, today I was getting a feeling that आज ही इसके ऊपर close होते क्या? Because today's high is 24,857 and this is 24,754. So, I mean, I was getting a feeling that if the momentum continues, we might have even closed above this level as well, but which we did not. So what is important tomorrow? Are we able to close above this? If yes, amazing. Now the next question is that if we are able to close above this, what is the next target? Typically technically that is considered as the previous swing high. Correct? So which was the swing high? This was one previous swing high, then here, then this, then this. Now this has been broken, and now this is the, so this has been taken out. Now this is the immediate previous swing high. Correct? I hope you are understanding this. This is the previous swing high. I'm also going to remove this. This was the previous swing high, has been taken out. Now the next swing high is this, and how much is this? 25,200 plus. So if you are able to close, so again, everyone note it down. If we are able to close above 24,750 tomorrow, if we are able to close above 24,750 tomorrow, ideally we should be able to cross 25,000. Not only cross 25,000, we could potentially try and target 25,200 also. So that looks really interesting, doesn't it? Now, something more interesting is CNX small cap. Okay, so let's check CNX Nifty small cap 100. Over analysis leads to paralysis. I keep on telling people all these things, but my chart is only horrible right now. I'll show you, instead of this, I'll show you, this is a cleaner chart. The screenshot is way cleaner. Okay, because me cleaning all those levels, this is a cleaner chart, a screenshot that that you can see on the screen right now. Again, very clearly you can see high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, again a lower high and a lower low. Has this been taken out? Yes. Are we closing on to the second previous swing high? Yes. And look at the gap ups. Amazing gap ups. So Nifty small caps is in fact showing strength, something amazing. And if this is taken out, we may head to all-time high for Nifty small cap. So we did see what is up with Nifty. I did show you what is up with Nifty small cap. Let's also quickly check for Nifty IT also. Nifty IT, you can very clearly see that yes, it was this was the previous high, after which it was going in a sideways. Then we could see a high, a low, a higher high, a higher low. It's still going up. It has broken the immediate. So this wala high has been anyways taken out, and it has also broken out of the immediate previous high. Okay. All in all, what are the indications? Definitely Nifty looks pretty strong. Number two, if you see Nifty small caps is also showing some strength. And number three, very important, which sector, if you ask me, so according to the sectors, Nifty IT as a sector also looks pretty much strong. Okay, so I hope a base analysis about Nifty is what you have understood. We will now move on with your question and answers, but before I move on to the question and answers, I would just want to quickly tell that whatever analysis we do in technical analysis, see, being a chartered accountant, I always have had more love towards fundamental analysis. It was pretty easy for me to understand fundamental analysis because that is what I learned over a period of almost 5 years in my chartered accountancy course. Technical analysis was something which of course doesn't even find a place in chartered accountancy course. I mean, I'm not sure about the current scenario, but when I used to study, there was not even one chapter on technical analysis. So whatever I learned was completely by myself. After I learned technical analysis, kept on learning a lot of chart patterns, a lot of candlestick patterns, and so many more things. Whatever I learned, I brought it in the form of a course, so that I always feel that whatever I know, I should bring that knowledge in front of my viewers. So first I came up with technical analysis 1.0, then I came up with technical analysis 2.0. And for the last 1 year plus approximately, I've been learning a little bit more on price action analysis. Now, for those who don't understand what is price, shall I give you an example of price action analysis? So just have a look at this. Why not only price is important, along with price, volume is also equally important. And just to give you an example, of course we can go with loads and loads of examples, but I think prestigious state, no. Let's take one example of Tollins, which was, I was just checking if, yeah, okay. So here, I've also done some markings. Now, many people, so I'm just trying to give you an importance of price action analysis. So just to clear up the charts, let me just show you a very clearer picture here. Okay. Now, if you see here, this is a recent listing, comparatively recent listing. You can see September listing here. And on the first day itself, have a look at this. This is almost like a full bodied candle on day one. And look at the volume, also fantastic volume. Now, after day one of listing, the stock has been continuously falling, and it fell for how many trading sessions from here to here straight? It's almost 40 trading sessions or 2 months almost. Okay. Now, if you want to understand whether this fall is pretty bad, or we need not worry so much about this fall, for that, don't only look at the price movement. This is a pure play price. What we need to analyze in addition to this price is what is up with the volumes when the price is falling. Okay, now have a look at the first day candle, and this first day candle volume is amazing. Now from this candle to this candle, have a look at the volumes, almost flattish, nothing is happening. I can in fact even take it lower. Look at these volumes, nothing significant. So is the selling like crazy, or is it like an average, below average selling? It's like average or below average selling volume. So this is not only price analysis, this is price and volume, price and action analysis. Now that you can see there was a gap up, then it again went sideways for a little bit, and look at this candle, 20%. Now look at this volume. Okay, again one more gap up, and you can see some sort of pullback, kind of a reversal, and from there also 1 2. So look at these volumes, look at this volume, and now you'll be able to understand that this selling was not that strong, but whatever the price movement that is happening in the stock right now, it is also accompanied by volumes, and that is the reason why this has much more importance, right? In addition to this, this is actually a classic case of IPO base formation also. So what can be typically seen is that this is the IPO base that has been formed, and right now what we can see is a breakout. So this IPO base formation is like a rounding bottom. Of course, rounding bottom is generally for a larger time frame. This is for a comparatively smaller time frame, IPO base breakout, right? So I hope you have understood that with the help of not only the price movement, but by analyzing volume simultaneously, how can you actually understand the charts in a much better manner, right? So this is pure play price action analysis. There is something called as SEPA, specific entry point analysis. If you have heard about Darvas box, there is something, again, fantastic concept in demand supply analysis. There is also one more analysis which is called as the volatility contraction price analysis. So many new terms I've been learning. I've been trying to practice these by myself. Almost last 1 year of learning of so many concepts: when to buy, when to add, when to sell, how to trail. One more very important point about sectoral rotation. How do sectors typically rotate? Which sector should we focus on during which runs? How to trade during a bull run? How to trade during a bear market? All these things, whatever I've been learning over the past 1 year, I have, after a long gap, come up with a separate course which is called as Decoding Price Action Analysis. Because for the last few months, I have come up with the 2.0 versions. This is almost after 3 years. I've launched a brand new course. This is called as Decoding Price Action Analysis course. And whatever I've learned over the past 1 year, I've power packed that, absolutely simplified it in a span of barely 6 to 7 hours. But I'm sure you will get to learn a lot in this course. Whatever I told right now, be it introduction to price action, be it SEPA, advanced price action concepts, Darvas box, VCP, time compression, shakeout patterns, core satellite portfolio, a lot of points to be learned in this price action analysis course. Many people were asking me, there are so many websites which have come up with Black Friday sale. Your website did not have Black Friday sale. I said, Achha, okay. I generally don't go ahead with any Black Friday sales, but you can consider this as a Black Friday sale for this specific course. I am opening this course at 9999, and this price is going to remain valid only till Monday. So anyone who wants to enroll for this course, this could be one good time to save some more money and learn the same thing. Out of the 7-hour course, 4 hours have been released today, and balance 3 hours will be released day after tomorrow, that is on Saturday. Okay, Number two, very, very important point. Anyone who does not understand basics of technical analysis, this course is not for you, because anyone who knows about my courses, we have category wise courses. These are beginner level, these are intermediate level courses. Technical analysis 2.2 is an intermediate level course, and price action analysis is an advanced course. So anyone who wants to learn price action analysis, ideally you should have done my technical analysis course. Then you will understand this concept in a better way. Okay. Just to give you an example, here if I've taught you what is a pin bar, this is how a pin bar looks like. But here I've taught why or what is the significance of the pin bar, what is the logic behind the formation of a pin bar. Okay, all these things so have been covered in this course. A lot of learning is what you can get. I'm going to pin the link in the 9999 Ranjit ji. It's 9999. Okay, time value of money. I have spent more than a year to read a lot, to discuss these concepts with a lot of people who have been using this for a long time. So what, as I mentioned, right, whatever time I have spent or I have invested, I must say, I've packed that knowledge in 6 to 7 hours course so that you can learn maximum in minimum possible time. That is the whole thought process behind it. So definitely anyone who wants to level up their knowledge, this can be a good time to invest in knowledge. Can we wait till June 2025 for 50% discount? No, no, no. Never ever in my life have I given a 50% discount. Highest I've given, I think, is 15% till date. So 5050 to abhi tak diya hi nahi. Okay. Chalo. So with that, Darwas box, it's for swing trading. Can be used for swing trading. And you are saying IPO is the same, observing Premier Energies and Swiggy. Absolutely. So I'll give you the same example for Premier Energies. 1 minute. Very good observation, by the way. Let me share my screen. Premier Energies. Exact same case. Okay. Now again, understand the price action here. Okay. Everyone focus if you can see price action analysis. Look at these volumes when the stock was going up. Okay. Now the stock is in a consolidation pattern. Look at the volumes. Almost nothing. Is there a breakout? Yes. Should you be excited? Ideally not. Ideally not. Why? Number one, was there a breakout? Yes. Was there a confirmation? Ideally no. Okay. Number three, look at the volumes. The breakout volumes are not that great. So again, whenever breakout doesn't happen with very good volumes, there are chances that this might in fact act as a resistance. We call such cases as shakeouts instead of breakouts, or false breakouts. It's a possibility. Or we should see one more strong green candle, with good volumes. Of course, then the analysis will change. But whatever we can see on screen right now, this is not at all a convincing breakout. So I hope you have understood the difference. Look at this chart and look at Tolinska chart, the one that I showed right now. Look at the volume here, volume on the breakout candle here, correct? So that is what I'm trying to tell you. Whenever you are analyzing any stock, don't look only at price. Price should be checked in addition to volume. Price and action, both should be checked. Okay. Is Shipping Corporation of India due for an upswing? SCI. Let us quickly check. Requesting everyone to share at least 1 point of analysis. Then only I will take up your questions. A kind of a double bottom being tried here. 1, 2, but this is a big green candle. But look at the selling that has happened from the top. Doesn't interest me a lot. Doesn't look that exciting. Kya baat hai? Nice one, Rajesh. Okay. Thank you, Jubin. Thank you for that. Oh, kya baat hai? Likes are not 999 till now. Kya baat hai? We'll just check likes. 1,700 people watching the live stream. As usual, 316 likes. Badhiya. Would request everyone to just have a look at the likes and definitely smash the like button. It's free. Okay. So with that, let's move on with the next one. W pattern breakout in Hudko and Maharashtra Bank. Let's check. Hudko. Yes, absolutely. Just take it a little bit up. Again, look at this breakout candle and look at the volume. Volume is also good enough, right? And you can see it's a sustained up move here till now at least. So Hudko, and what was the second one? Maharashtra Bank. Okay. Maha Bank. Can actually take it here. Absolutely. Correct. So correct. Again, good volume bar at breakout. It was staying here. Breakout. Today's candle was not that amazing. Let's see if we can get one or two more candles right here. Is it a reverse head and shoulder patterns in Sula Wine's monthly chart? Again, I always keep on telling this. Typically, all these chart patterns are more effective when it is in a daily time frame. Okay, so right now your question is specifically about monthly time frame. Monthly time frame में inverse head and shoulder. It's a reverse head and shoulder monthly chart. Huh? No, can't see it. Weekly maybe can't see it. Daily. Not a proper inverse head and shoulder as such. Nothing. काय झालं जय? Okay, let's move on with the next one. Absolutely. Mapmyindia. We have done a separate community tab post on this as well. Rohan Verma has stepped out of Mapmyindia to start B2C. A little bit early to comment is what I'll feel. What I feel. Of course, the stock has taken a beating after this was declared. We'll also quickly check the chart. CE info. CE info. The stock has seen a bad fall in the last few weeks. Let us also check. This was one swing high. It's struggling here right now. If you can see here, this was the second week post listing. It lingered here for 3-4 weeks. Saw a resistance here again. One more 3, 4, 5, 6 candles here. Again a similar point here, and again it's similar. So I can see it's at a very crucial level right now. Let's see how it pans in the coming few weeks. But yes, of course, such developments typically take a beating on the stock price. Yes. Ma'am, why you're not using 4 valuation methods in stock of the month? This time, stock of the month is an NBFC. So whenever you're valuing any NBFC, typically price to book value is given the utmost importance. Something like an EV, EBITDA, or price to sales, or even price to earning for that matter is not given that much importance. That is the reason why for this stock of the month, we have taken only price to book value. Oh, BF Utilities rounding bottom monthly chart. Let me check. BF Utilities monthly chart, Altar. खूप काय काय आखून ठेवलेलं आहे. Switch off the volume for 1 minute. Too many things on my chart. Okay, this I'll delete. This also I'll delete. This I'll delete. So this is also in fact like a double bottom kind of a chart. Of course, it's a monthly time frame, but not a theory kind of a thing. But yes, and consolidating here. This is like, oh, now if I go to daily time frame, I'll be able to see this. This was the previous swing high, just few shakeups here. Okay. But on a monthly time frame also, it's again same thing. Now let me put on the volume. Same thing. We need convincing volumes for breakout. Here, what happened? It went till here, but it was not able to break out. All these are not very powerful candles. We need powerful price candles along with volume. तब मजा आता है. Okay. PFC broken 500 resistance, which you mentioned earlier. It is good time to buy. Please share your views, and also on BL broken trend line. Please. I never talk about whether you should buy or not. That's completely your choice. I try to help you with the thought process uh, relating to different stocks. Now here you can see this was a channel in which the stock was going. This is the 500 ka point where the stock was stuck, and last 2-3 days, this is the first time that it closed above 500 level, followed up on the action yesterday, and today also it's a candle which tried to retest but has closed pretty high up. So going steady above 500 is what I can say for PFC. So yeah, I mean comfortable. Once the channel has been broken, it is interesting to see the follow-up action as well. Right now, only thing is that has it broken out? Yes, but followed by a doji. We ideally need to see a powerful candle so that we can get a little bit more conviction on the follow-up action, right? Next one is about BEL. काय draw करून ठेवलंय मी. Okay, so this is BEL. This was a channel in which it was trading. The previous swing high broken out, trading here. Immediate next swing high is this one. So it has started to resume. So I'll just clear off the drawings first. Remove 6 drawings. So I can definitely say this was like a high, low, lower high. It's a similar low. Okay, a lower high, a lower low, maybe a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Got challenged as a higher high, a higher low, and again going with a higher high. Okay, so this is definitely a case of reversal. Interesting one. I always say that whenever you see such sort of reversals, add such stocks to your watch list. That's how we can learn in a much better way, right? I was waiting for this. Magic moves. Breakout and CDSL. Your views, please. In fact, it's CDSL and BSC both. We'll share for both. CDSL. Clear case of breakout. Now, the point that I was trying to look at the volumes here and look at this candle. So, number one, was there a breakout yesterday? Yes. Now, how do we do a price action analysis? Understand. Was there a breakout yesterday? Yes. Is there a gap up opening? Yes. Plus, open and low are very much close to each other. High and low, high and close are also very much close to each other. It's more or less like a full bodied candle, 8% up candle, and with super volumes. This is like a good breakout. This is like a good breakout candle and a fantastic confirmation also. Okay, so such breakouts, maza aata hai aise breakouts, right? Now let's go ahead with BSC. Understand how the BSC breakout looks like. Here today only we saw a breakout with fantastic volumes. Again, low is equal to open kind of a candle, full bodied candle, 13.5%, more than 13.5% up. So a good one, definitely. Yahan pe it's also like a VCP being formed, like a complex cup and handle. Again, VCP is like a part of our price action analysis course again, like a complex cup and handle is what you can see, right? Thirumalai Chemicals. Ooh, okay. Let's check. What was the question? Covenantal breakout in weekly chart. It is a breakout for sure. Just we'll draw T. So we'll do just ignore that high. something like this. I know it's not an exact one, but this can also be like, did you say inverse head and shoulder or a cup and handle? Cup and handle is what you mentioned, but this can also be treated like an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Again, volumes are good, 18%, but I don't think it's like crazy volumes here. Average volume 561K, actual volume 997K, barely double volume. Let's see how the volume for this week and price for this week also closes. Will be interesting to watch the follow-up action. So again, worth adding to your watch list for sure. W pattern breakout in City Union Bank. Okay. City Union Bank. Maybe in a daily time frame. Not a W pattern per se, but yes, I can clearly see a trend here. Or maybe I would just try it like this. One candle inside. But it has to break out of this trend. Not very exciting chart. Please update what we should do on Mapmyindia. Promoters nuisance scene. They sold shares after good commentary at 2500 level, and now this spin off. I understand, Ankit. That's the reason why we have written a proper explanatory community tab post. You are a member, you have an access to that. Please check the community tab post. Whatever important points we see which are going on in the market, we just try to write down a simplified version of that one such news piece every week. So definitely you can please go and check out the community tab. You'll find a nice explanation, simple words explanation there also. CAMS range breakout, we have talked about it so many times. Yes. Oh, okay. Is the display message coming in between the volumes? Okay, good suggestion. I'll do that. This is the display message maybe that you're talking about. HEG breakout in last two trading sessions. Okay, let's check. I've closed the display message. HEG. Ooh, yes. Nice. I hadn't checked this. Ooh. Yesterday only it is up 16%. Interesting. Today, such a danger doji candle. Okay. Interesting. Never tracked this stock. अरे असं होय. Wait. Now I feel like striking this off. This is more like this. Oh, sorry. More like this. Okay, bas. जास्ती लढत नाही. Even shall I go ahead with monthly alt R? Okay. So it's like a double bottom. And a breakout. Interesting. Look at the volumes here. Nothing, and look at the volume build up here. Let's also check log chart. Alt R. Nice. Okay. But yes, is there a breakout? Absolutely yes. No second thoughts on that. Yes Bank, is it showing a breakout pattern? I don't like Yes Bank. Okay. Nifty 25,000, but portfolio is red. Devasis, have you started investing after COVID? If yes, have patience. There are chances that if you are a comparatively new investor, it would take a little bit time. For those who have been investing pre-COVID, we had done this Kahoot, I think, almost 3-4 weeks ago, where we could very clearly see that those who have been investing since the pre-COVID levels, almost majority of their portfolio is in green. But those who have started after COVID, there are some people whose portfolio is in, I mean, a little bit more people have their portfolio in red right now. Don't feel bad. You should be able to get it. Yes, we did discuss about this. Apple India, Poland flag pattern on daily time frame with good volumes. Oh, let's check. Apple India. Daily time frame. Yes, you can say that. First and foremost, this downward trending move was taken care of. So this has anyways been taken out. Now I can say that this is like a flag. Drawing it quickly. This is like the pole. Flag is a little bit more wide though and has a bigger the length is also pretty big, but yes, it's kind not a textbook pattern, but yes, it's like a flag and pole breakout. Okay, so good observation. Even look at the, again, now I'm also teaching you price action side by side, right? If you see the consolidation here, look at the volumes. At breakout, look at the volumes. You'll see, very evidently see. So in our price action analysis course, I've also given a cheat sheet. 4 scenarios, how to interpret price and volume. When can you understand whether it's bullish? When can you understand whether it's bearish? When can you understand when it's a bullish reversal or bearish reversal? So 4 scenarios in a cheat sheet is what we have discussed in our course also. So anyone who is wanting to enroll for the course, till Sunday night only, we have this introductory price of 9999. Don't forget to check that out. Link in description and pinned comments. Okay. Hyundai. Okay. Haven't tracked it, to be honest. Hyundai Motors. If you remember, I told you about the IPO base breakout. So first we have to check this level, then we have to check this level. अभी उसमें कुछ मजा नहीं लग रहा है. This is potentially an inside bar, but yet to break out. Nothing exciting. Okay. Asian Paints, it's a victim of so many paint players entering the market, especially Birla Opus is what I mean, even I had a word with few of my friends who are in this industry. They said Birla Opus is actually making strides here. So it will be difficult, a little bit difficult for Asian Paints. Let's see. Okay. Oh, actually, I had a Thursday live stream, so I stayed back in Pune. Or I could have also said that, oh, now that I had gone for the PM swearing ceremony, I thought, let me not go for the CM swearing. Oh, this is just rubbish. I was not invited for the CM swearing ceremony. Okay. Anyhow, what's your views on Ganesh housing? Arre bapre. As per the chart, it looks ready for a new rally today. Fundamentals are improving constant. Ganesh housing, kya baat hai? Let us check. Share. Ganesh housing. Let's go on a weekly chart. Okay. Yes, of course, a small base formation has happened here. Volumes are okay-ish. There is a breakout, I understand. There is a follow up as well, but I've never checked this. Technically, it's not bad at all, but please check the fundamentals also, okay? Okay. Oh, the stock of the month is released 5th of each month. Yes. Where to view it in members tab? Didn't see it. You should be able to see it in the members tab, or members tab only. You should be able to see it. Nowhere else. Just in case if you are not able to find it, you can just ping, drop a WhatsApp on 90221966678. First check in the members tab, and then still if you are not able to find it, you can just ping here 90221966678. Okay. Oh, 10:16. Almost done for the day. Absolutely. Yes. Zomato also gave a breakout today. It I think 299.3 or 299 point something. Let's quickly check. Now people are also checking the volume. Good. Is there a breakout? Yes. It's also a head and shoulder pattern for Zomato. 1, 2, 3. Has it broken outside this? Yes. Has it broken outside this as well? Yes. The only concern is volumes are okayish, not great. Average volume is 57 million. Today's volume was 102 million. Shade lower than 2x. So above average, but not great volumes. Okay. ICICI Bank chart analysis. Okay. I think almost we are at the end. It's more than 45 minutes. ICICI Bank. काय काय आखून ठेवलेलं आहे. अरे बापरे. पलटा. Was going in this channel for a long time. Has broken out. Okay. Let's go on a daily time frame as well. I'll just drop these lines. Wow, fantastic. So again, like a W formation, a double, it's like a W formation, but again, missing part is the volume. So would again want to see good volumes coming in the और मजा आएगा. Oh, अच्छा. New surprise. ठीक है. अच्छा. I'll show you why I said oh. 1 minute. I'll go back to ICICI. I saw this new thing in TradingView right now. ICICI Bank has broken out of a narrow range on the monthly chart and a triangle on daily chart. So this is like the triangle Alt T if I were to draw like this. This is like going up. Okay. And the horizontal one. Forming higher highs and lows. Okay. Rising rate of change indicator suggests ongoing upward momentum. Interesting. On a monthly chart also has broken out of the narrow range. The range that I had drawn for you. That narrow range. क्या बात है? Good. TradingView is also teaching. All right. I think this is it. A lot of new members who joined today. Let me welcome everyone. Nupur, Kiran, Kanishka, Suresh. Juben, I did talk about BSE, CDSL. Both have given a breakout. Yes. Yuvraj, Fed Bank breakout. Absolutely. Devraj, Nupur, Ankit. I did discuss yours as well. 45 months. Kya baat hai? HEG also we discussed. Siddharth, Nayan, trade with Arjun Power, Tirak, DRLS Praveen, Samir, and Nirav. Okay, welcome to all the new members today. I hope you have enjoyed today's live stream. I hope you got to learn a lot today as well. My my best try always is that I keep on, telling you newer and newer things that I come across. Uh, सत्यज सिंग ट्रेडिंग व्यू ने रचनाताईचे कोर्स जॉईन केले वाटतं. क्या बात है गुड वन. Oh, not sure. Manju is saying, is it paid version and trading view? Mine is paid version, but I'm not sure whether what I showed right now is only for paid version or not. Not pretty sure on that. Okay. So all right, anyone who joined in late today, like I discussed, please don't forget to check out our new course, which is about decoding price action analysis. If you want to know what is covered in this, please go and read the description. You'll get to know what all things have been discussed in this course. As I mentioned, out of the 7 hours course, roughly 4 hours has been released today. Balance 3 hours will be released on Saturday. And whatever I've learned over the period of last 1 year plus, I've power packed that into a course which is around 6 to 7 hours, 7 hours course roughly. So I hope you'll enjoy learning a lot. I will not be taking the Thursday live stream next Thursday and the next to next Thursday. I'll see you directly on the last Thursday of this month. So I hope till then you keep on learning as well. Till then, take care. Jai Hind. Bye bye.